All right, easy now. We're almost there. Just hold still, you're gonna be okay.
It's heartbreaking to see her trapped like this, but we're moving in now. If you care about wildlife rescue, please subscribe.
Almost home. It's okay, little one, I've got you. Just hold still. We'll have you out of here in no time.
Easy now, stay still. We'll get this off you. Easy now, easy. I'm gonna loosen this right here. Don't struggle, you're almost free. This poor mother is completely entangled. See how the chick close. We have to act.
Easy now, little one. We've got ya. Just relax. These threads are tricky, but we'll have you free in just a moment.
Hey there. Are you hurt? Don't worry, I'll help you. Easy now. I'm here.
Easy now. Let me see how bad this is. Hang on, I'll get you free soon.
Hold on. I'll get this off you nice and easy. Good. Just a little more. Shh, it's all right. You're safe now. I've got you. All right, let's get you free.
Easy, stay still. I've got you, little one. Good girl, just a few more cuts. It's all right, stay calm, okay. Good, just a few more to go. It's okay, little one. We're almost there. Just a few more cuts and you'll be free.
Easy, easy. You're okay, girl. That's one done. Hang in there. I'll get the rest.
That's it. You're doing great. Just a little more, okay? Good. Almost there.
There we go. That's the big one. Good girl. You're almost free. You're okay. Just breathe. I've got you. That's it. Almost there. There. That's the last one. Almost free now.
Good girl. You're doing great. Hang in there.
Still a few more to go.
There, you can breathe easier now.
There we go, that's better. That's it, you're doing so well.
There, all done.
Still some left. Hang on, little one. All right, let's finish this.
There, that's the last of them. There. Good, almost done now.
Easy now, you're safe. Go on, it's all right. There, all cleaned up.
You're safe now, all of you.
It's all right, little ones. Mama's right here. You're safe now.
That's it, you can go. Take some strength back. Good girl, that's it. Okay, little guys, here you go. Nice and slow. You're safe now.
Good job, Mama. And the little ones are eating well too. They should be strong enough to fly soon.
There you go, little ones. Get strong now.
It's okay, little ones. You're safe now. Eat up. You need your strength. It's okay, little ones. Get some food in you. You're safe now.
Good. It's okay, guys. You are safe now. Get something to eat.
Ổn rồi các bé ơi, các bạn an toàn rồi, chúng tôi sẽ chăm sóc các bạn.
Here you go. Have some water, little one. Go ahead. It's clean water. That's it, good girl. Here you go. Take your time.
That's it. Take care of each other.
It's okay, little ones. You're safe now. We'll get you back to the nest. Almost there. Hang on, little ones.
You're going home now, safe and sound. We're almost there.
Almost there, little ones. Just hold on. You're doing great. We'll have you out in a moment.
Home now, you're safe. Chip, chip, rest now, you've earned it.
It smells good, doesn't it? That's it. Eat a little more. Get your strength back.
Gently now, that's it. It's crucial the mother eats first so she can care for the chicks. There you go, little ones.
Beautiful morning. It's time to go home.
Almost there, guys. You did so well. You're safe now.
Hold on tight, we're almost there.
We're home now. There you go. You're safe now. Fly home to the forest.
Goodbye, little ones.